Inside Science.
This has totally changed the way that I teach because before I'd taken a lot of science classes, so I'm qualified to teach science, but I didn't have any research experience.
This is amazing, the opportunity for somebody who's interested in being in the classroom to also gain research experience.
I've been coming out to the research station here and heard about the program through some other STAR fellows, and so I applied and I've been out here working under Catherine McKedron on the Cloud Forest Restoration Project.
The overall goal of this project is to develop some techniques with fairly low technology, low level of effort that can be fielded over a large number of years to nourish vegetation.
Being involved with the project for a couple of years now, it's been pretty amazing to see how all the hard work has really impacted the habitat and the ecosystem, and seeing that change makes it feel like this is all really worthwhile and it's making a difference.
Having this experience has changed the way I view science, and it will hopefully allow me to change the way I teach it.
Just providing real science experiences for my students. When I sit down and I think about planning an activity, I try to think of it from a perspective of a researcher, and I think about how can I make this experience in the classroom as real as possible for my students as it is out for real scientists.
For me, it strengthens the connection between real-world research and the students that are in the classroom. Anyone could really be a scientist if they want to. They just need to go out there and do some research.
I always say to my students, you're not just doing little kid stuff, you're actually doing what scientists do. And I have the practices in the back of the room and I point to them, and they have context to understand that this is real and they're not just memorizing facts.
Teachers out there should definitely look into finding research experiences, because I think a lot of the time there's science teachers out there that go straight from their undergrad into teaching and don't have that research experience, and I think having that research experience really impacts the way that you see science and the way that your students in the classroom view the field of science.
Inside Science. If you enjoyed this edition, follow us on the web and social media. Powered by the American Institute of Physics and a coalition of underwriters.